Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope everybody's week is going well. I got a beard balm review today, so just keep watching. Hey, what's up, guys? So if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. You know, I review things like this, beard products, other grooming products, and anything else that just might be helpful to us as guys. So, just like I said, hit that subscribe button. So, today I am reviewing the Spartans Den Beard Balm, and this is from the Revive line. This is part of the pack that I purchased, and I have a link to that video where I talk about the beard oil. But this is the beard balm that goes with the Revive line. And we'll just kind of get right into it here, okay? So this comes in it. This is a 2-ounce aluminum tin. And it has, we'll get into the ingredients here. So we've got vitamin E, aloe vera, cocoa butter, coconut oil, apricot oil, jojoba oil, or jojoba, whichever you prefer, shea butter, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil, pumpkin seed oil, beeswax, tea tree oil, and spearmint oil. So, if you remember a bit from what I may have talked about in the beard oil review, is that it had a pretty nice mint smell. This has a very nice mint smell as well. However, it does have the one main difference as far as what they use as far as like the essential oils to get that smell. They added aloe vera to this, and I imagine it's to really enhance the performance of, you know, just the skincare and some of the moisturizing effects that these products help provide. But it does kind of change the smell a little bit, and not in a bad way. It just kind of turns the volume down a little bit, and you definitely know that the aloe vera is present there. If you ever smelled it, like if you ever had a sunburn and you used some aloe vera cream or like a lotion or some sort of ointment, you'll kind of know that's it's a very similar smell. Like I said, I don't consider it bad, and again, this is 100% natural. I'll open it up here and show you what it looks like here. So, you know, it's a white balm, all right, a little more whitish. I've had others that kind of have like a yellow tinge. These are pretty white. This is softer, and I've done another balm. I did another Spartans Den beard balm review on their classic line, and I kind of made the similar comment. And they structure these the same. But I really do feel it's probably because of the coconut oil in them that kind of softens them up a little bit compared to other balms I've used. Other balms tend to be other balms I have used have been a little stiffer, almost a little more waxy, and this is softer, and I like it. It goes in my beard fine. It actually works really well. My beard feels really smooth, and it does kind of hold down and kind of help redirect the hair. I wouldn't consider it a strong hold if that's something you're looking for, but it definitely helps kind of put a little weight in your hair, keep it down, kind of helps keep it under control. So it is effective in that way. So I'll go ahead and just use a little bit here. Okay, so you always want to get it on the back of your thumbnail. That's how I like to do it. I've seen other people, they just kind of dig right in. I like this method because I can just scrape it right off, and then I can just get it emulsified in my hands here. Okay, you can see it goes on. There's a little shine right there. Okay, alright, you don't have to hit your face, it's just something I do. Okay, and always finish with a brush. Okay, a brush will help kind of work that down into the hair, and a brush really helps put a nice finishing touch on your beard. So no matter the length of your beard, get a brush. Okay, it just adds that nice finishing touch whenever you're nice. So if you got a big beard and you comb it, hit it with a brush. Like me, I pretty much have a shorter beard, and it really does help me just kind of finish out my beard. So, guys, that being said, that was from Spartans Den. That is the Revive. It's the green label. Okay, pretty much smells like it smells like mint. Very refreshing. And guys, I recommend this. I've really enjoyed this so far. Like I said, I bought this in a pack from Amazon, and I'll put that link in the video here, so that way you guys just can see what I bought, and if it's something that works for you. Like I said, very reasonable price. If you broke the pack down and you look at what these individually would cost, you're going to see some savings. Guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, and send me your questions or comments on anything. It's going to help me generate some stuff for videos, and that's what I want to bring. I want to bring some good content. I want to bring some good discussion let's help each other out, you know. And the whole point is, I'm trying to help everybody, even myself, just from learning from this experience, present ourselves the best way possible. Alright, so have a great week, guys, and take care. Alright, thanks for watching.